Welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and here I'll go ahead and show you how to fill in lists with random numbers. Let's go ahead and say from random, go ahead and import radiant, and let's go ahead and say mini is equal to input int, and tell the user to insert something. Go ahead and say input insert minimum number. Alright, insert minimum number, and maxi is equal to int, and then input, go ahead and tell the user to insert maximum number. Alright, so once that is done, then go ahead and say that x is equal to list of radiant of mini comma maxi. This is mini comma maxi. Now you go ahead and put that inside a for loop. So for I in range of let's say 15. Okay, so for I in range of 15, then you go ahead and let's say print x. Okay, you can go ahead and demand the user to choose by he or herself tell the user to choose the number of the range he or she wants to put by saying that y is equal to, tell the user to impute, say insert range of random numbers. Okay, so once user insert that, go ahead and put this in range of y. And now let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. Run this code. The minimum number is -7. Maximum number is 7. And range of random numbers is 15. And there is problem in line 8. What does that say? It says LCL object cannot be interpreted as integer. Line 8. Check it out. What does line 8 says? It says for x, how? Go ahead and put this to be int. Alright, this is a int. Alright, and go ahead and close this here as well. So you should always specify whether that is integer or string. Okay, now run this code one more time and check it out. So minimum number is -7, maximum number is 7, and range is 15, and hit enter, and you can see that it created random numbers. Okay, now let's go ahead and run this code one more time and check. The minimum number is 0, and the maximum number is 20, and the range is 10, and that is what it is. Can you see that? Very interesting. The code is just valid before you. Go ahead and put it down on your own system, play around with it, and if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.